does that. That's sweet. Whoa, what up, ladies and gentlemen, and ladies? SL in the house. Check it out. We're going Lightning Link Sahara Gold to drums. Drums are gonna bring us back. Let's do it. Starting out hot right off the bat. Let's get it. Bump the volume. There we go. Forgot my stickers tonight. So we are stickerless. Pot. It's a good start. Mini. Correct. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Get a bonus here. Come on, drummies. We're at 10,814. Oh, there you go. Bringing us back. Bring us back. Do it. We got the octos out tonight. Oh no, octos out tonight. The octos out tonight. We need a 5-drum trigger. We haven't had one in a long time. Pot. We got the pot again. Major time. Major sparkling. Alright, minor. Major's next, guys. Major's next. Then the grand. It's gonna happen. Pot again? No pot. Come on, drummies. You gotta save us from the Sahara Gold. Pot again. All right, major time. Oh, I thought it happened. 40 bucks. Gotta take those wins from the drums. Those little line hits are key. Drummy. Hugo's at the casino tonight, but he is not giving us any luck. I don't know what he's doing. He said he used all of his luck up. Man, it's gonna be a 4 or 5 drum trigger. It's gotta be. Come on, do something. I'm sorry, what was that? I'm sorry, I don't understand what you're saying. No, I have a YouTube channel. Yeah. It's SL Slots. Yeah, check it out. Yeah, good luck to you. All right, let's get it. Come on, bonus. Dirty. We got it. Yeah, baby, she's got it. Come on, machines. Pot again? No pot. I thought that was pot time. We gotta get lucky. Otherwise, we gotta do another 300. Oh my gosh. We definitely gotta do another 300. All right, we'll be right back, guys. Give me a second. All right, we are back. We are back. Let's get it. Let's get something special. We're in deep. We got a mega comeback to be had. I thought we had it there. She's got it. Yeah, baby, she's got it. Sometimes you gotta slap the drums. Ready? Bam. Oh my gosh. Bam. Pot. Pot. No pot. Thought we switched it up enough. Bam! There we go. I love that when it does that. That's sweet. You know, I'm doing 10 games. We haven't had much luck on the 4 and the 5 or the 3 and we're doing 10. Let's do it. Let's do it. Now we got the pot. Let's do it. Let's get something special. Make a comeback. It's comeback time. Let's do it. Retrigger. Oh, shippies. We are got nothing here. Come on now. All right, little ships. 45 bucks. Retrigger. Have to overcome some energy here today. Guys, we gotta overcome the energy. That was not a drum beat like that. What are you doing? Let's get it. Back to back. Back, back to back. Well, 10 did not work for us. Maybe we should have done 3. Come on, let's get it. Little something. Come on, drummies. Let's get a 4 or 5 drum trigger. I'm gonna slap it in. Ready? Slap it in one more time. One more time. Pot? No pot, no pot. Hot. 10,800. Dang. Come on, you can do this. Bam! There we go. We're doing 5 for 5K. 5 for 5. Bam! Bam! 5 drum re-trigger! Boom! That's what I'm talking about. I said it was coming. Bang! 5 drum re-trigger. Very cool. Let's go. Let's get another 5 drum re-trigger. Double 5 drum re-trigger. How cool would that be? Oh, Foo Dogs, we just missed you, baby. We just missed the Foo Dogs. I think we're gonna get a hand pay. I'm feeling it. Overcoming the negative to the positive. Got the pie. All right, minor. Hey, what's up, my man? How you doing? Pretty good. Let's get it. Something big. Three spins to win. We're gonna get another re-trigger. Dirty. Ooh, that's a good one. 180. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. All right, let's hit it. We got 2 spins. Re-trigger time. Oh, do it again. Oh, I missed it. All right, we're at 800. Let's keep going. One more. Finish round. Take my coins. Ooh, almost a super finish strong. Not bad though, not bad. 900 bucks. 888. Very cool. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. Back to back. Back to back. Eat it from the bottom of my heart. I just called to say I love drums. Hot. Oh, major time. Come on. What? Come on, get it, get it, get it, get it. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. I think we got another bonus in this thing. Come on. Let's dance. Come on. Put on my Foo Dog shoes. Brand shoes, let's do it. Let's get it. Come on, come on, come on. Let's dance. Watch this. Bang! Bang! 5 drum trigger. Back to back 5 drum triggers. Let's go. Oh! Where were you on 3? Do, 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 do. Let's pot. Minor. Let's get it, let's get it. Let's get something special. Almost the 4 drummer again. Dirty. How are you gonna do it to us? Like that? How are you gonna do me like that? We're going mystery if we get it. Come on, we gotta make the monies back. It's gonna happen. That's a lot of bracelets. Oh! That last row, we'll take 90. But it could have been massive on that last row, like 720. Need that last row. Just one would have been $1.20. Hashtag last row, let's go. Bam! There we go. We're going mystery, everybody. We're going mystery. It's happening. It's either going to be happiness or sadness, one of the two. Let's do it. Not the greatest. 15. All right, nothing happened. Nothing happened. We didn't get hosed. Food dogs! Oh my goodness. Almost food dog madness. Great trigger. Come on, let's do it, let's do it. Come on, food dogs. Bam, nice. Keep going. Let's keep this train going. $20. $30 and the pot. 27. Let's hit it. I'm sorry. didn't see you there. I apologize. Come on, let's get something special. Let's get something good. There we go. It's a little something.
Thank you, baby.
Let's get a re-trigger.
I ain't gonna abuse you no more.
Let's get a re-trigger. Two spins. Let's get it. Let's get it. There we go. 120.
Them doggies right there.
Yeah, the food dogs. Yeah. I got a line hit once for 7,200. Yeah. It was crazy. It was like 72 food or 84 food dogs or something like that. Finish strong. Oh, finish strong. Very nice. Let's hit it. 655. Very cool. We got our monies back. What a comeback. Wow, let's get it. Back to back, back to back. What a hit. This machine could be on fire. We don't know yet. We don't know yet. Come on. Come on, everybody. Ships, ships. Alright, come on, machine. Let's get it. We are gonna smash it, do it. Go, 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 go! Oh, almost last. Needed that last row to really hit it. Come on. Bonus time again. Let's get food dogs for the lady. We're still in it, we're still in it, we're still in it. Oh, dirty. Premature celebration. It went by. It went by. It was sad. It was sad. All right, guys, we are going to call it quits there. 600 in Sahara Gold, 600 in Dance and Drums. We got our monies back. We got 1203. I'm calling that a win. That was pretty fun. Wild ride. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.